Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a great day. In this video, I will show you how you can change the colors of the repeater items and use different colors for different repeaters. So what happens basically is that if I change the colors of any element in a repeater item, like if I change the fill color here, it will apply across all the designs. So if I change it like this, you can see that all the elements change the color as well. So what we're going to do today is use different colors for these items. Let me show you a preview real quick. Right, so you can see that it looks much better, more beautiful, right? The buttons as well. You can see that all of the buttons here have different colors, right? So it looks very beautiful. Let me show you real quick how to do that. Now, I know that a lot of you guys might not have a coding background, so there's no need to make this video longer. What I have done basically is I have shared a link in the description with the code, very simple code, nothing fancy here. So just copy the code here like this, Control C, and paste it in your editor. If you don't know how to get the editor, go to dev mode. This will be your website initially, and then just turn on the dev mode. In Wix Studio, you have to go to this side, right? So it will be turned off, but you can use it as you want. All right. So yeah, once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is change the IDs of the items in the code. So when you add the code, there might be some errors because of the item ID. So for example, if you select the repeater here, this is the ID of the repeater, the element ID. So let's say this is repeater 2. So you can see the error here. To fix the error, just copy the ID, press Ctrl C, and replace it right here. And the error will disappear itself. The same goes for the button. Let's say this is button 2, and you can see the error here. So whatever ID your button has, just copy it, Ctrl C, and replace it right here, here, and here. All right. You can change the colors right here. So let's say you want to use a black color. You can just replace it here like this. All right. And now if you go to the preview, you should see a black colored item as well. I don't know if simple color names work here like the CSS. Let me check real quick. Yeah, so you can directly use the names of the colors as well. Whatever red, white, green, whatever colors you want. Let's say you want to change the color of this text as well. Like right now, the text is black on all the items. So let's say you want to change the color of the text as well. For that, you have to simply just copy the line itself here, paste it again, and copy the element ID of the text. So this one is product name, copy it, replace it here, and instead of background color, we just need simple color. That's it. Now you should have different colors for the product names as well. But this is not a good practice. It's not always good with the contrast. But rest of the containers and everything looks good. If you want, you can make this container cover the entire repeater and you will have a different color for the repeater itself as well. If you want, you can use other properties that support color, the style. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. The code is in the description. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.